Microsoft Copilot recently got some superpowers, and if you're still switching to Outlook to send emails and schedule meetings, you're doing it the hard way. Now, these superpowers actually allow Microsoft Copilot to send emails and schedule meetings directly from the Copilot interface without having to open up Outlook. Now, to demonstrate this, I will place my cursor in the input box and I will draft a prompt that reads, "Send an email to my colleagues." And here's a little tip. If you press /, you can actually incorporate work content such as files, meetings, or people. Now I will just start to type the name of my colleague, Diego, and I will press enter. And then I'll carry on with my prompt. And again, I will press / and tag the other colleague I'd like to send this email to, asking for a status update on Project Star Fox. Now, here's the really important part. You want to be explicitly clear with what you're asking Copilot to do. So I am going to say, output the email to Outlook, and I will click send. And you can see here that Copilot actually brought up an email compose box directly in the interface. And you'll see that I have the option to update the subject line. I can add or remove recipients. I can even update the content of this email. And I can actually open this in Outlook or send it directly from here. Now, if you click open, it will actually punch out into your browser and bring this draft email up in Outlook on the web. I am just going to go ahead and click send. And you can see here that Copilot is actually sending this email and it has gone ahead and sent it. And I did not need to leave Copilot to do this. Now, just to demonstrate that this was sent, I've brought up Outlook on the web. I will click into the sent items and you can see here this email that Copilot drafted and sent on my behalf. Now, you can also ask Copilot to do the same and actually schedule meetings on your behalf. Now, to demonstrate this, I've pasted a prompt in the input box that reads, "Find 3 time slots this week when both Diego and Adele are available to meet and review the Project Star Fox status update." I've asked Copilot to present the options for me and wait for me to select one before creating or sending the invite. Now I'll go ahead and click send. You can see here that Copilot has found times and is asking me to confirm. And you can see now that it has actually brought up a scheduling widget directly in the Copilot interface. And here I can actually toggle and switch between these different times. Now I'll go ahead and select this option here and you'll see the option to send the invite. I will click this and you can see here that Copilot has sent the invitation. Now let's look at Outlook to make sure that this was actually sent. Now I have moved back over into Microsoft Outlook. Again, I am in my sent folder. You can see here that this meeting invitation was sent, and I'll just bring up the calendar here. And again, you can see the Project Star Fox status update meeting that I asked Copilot to schedule. So that's it. In this short video, I showed you 2 small but powerful superpowers that Microsoft Copilot has that you can use to be more productive. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, drop a comment below, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my new content. I'm Louis. I'll see you in the next video.